Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Canva AI photo and video editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Canva is a popular design platform that has expanded into AI-powered editing for both photos and videos. The mobile app is designed to give creators, students, and professionals simple but powerful tools for creating graphics, presentations, social media posts, and now AI-enhanced edits. Its strength lies in combining traditional drag-and-drop design with automation features that speed up the creative process. In actual use, Canva's AI tools stand out. The Magic Edit feature lets users remove, replace, or adjust objects in photos with a simple prompt. Background Remover is highly rated for product photography and profile pictures, while AI-generated templates help users design polished graphics quickly. On the video side, Canva provides tools for trimming, transitions, text overlays, and stock media integration. The addition of AI voiceovers and auto subtitles has made video editing more accessible to beginners. Many users appreciate how beginner-friendly Canva is. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to learn even without prior design experience. Integration with stock photos, fonts, and templates means users can create professional quality designs without needing advanced technical skills. For social media content creators, Canva's preset dimensions and ready-to-use templates save a lot of time. Still, there are trade-offs. While Canva offers a free plan, many advanced AI features, such as unlimited background removals, premium templates, and brand kit options, require a subscription. Some users also mention that video editing is basic compared to dedicated editors like Adobe Premiere Rush or CapCut. For high-level professionals who need precision or advanced effects, Canva may feel limited. Performance can also slow down when handling large video projects on mobile devices. In summary, Canva, AI photo and video editor, is worth using if you want a versatile, easy-to-use tool for designing and editing content quickly. It's ideal for small businesses, students, and creators who value speed and convenience. However, if you require advanced editing depth or want full access without a subscription, you might find its limits restrictive. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.